Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and today we're going to be making abacha. I don't really know the origin, where this particular abacha came from, but I know my friend introduced me to it, and since that time I've been enjoying it. I've been making it. She introduced it to me since we were teenagers, I think, and I've been enjoying it. So you can call it fried abacha, vegetable abacha. So right now let's go right into the video. So right here I'm just prepping the things I need for the abacha. And of course I have my abacha and I've soaked it in cold water. I didn't allow it to stay for a very long time and I'm taking it out. And yeah, if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and a comment from you will be appreciated. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. So I take my abacha out. I don't allow it to get too soft so that it won't be soggy. So right now I've put them in the sieve and I'm taking out my vegetables. This is my green beans. I have a video of how I prep my vegetables, not because I can't get them from the stores or not because anything happened to the ones at the stores, just that the ones at the stores are too chunky for me, and as a picky eater I don't like seeing my vegetables as meat. So for me to be able to eat it, I like to cut it into sizable portions, into small pieces so that I can eat it. And yeah, I have a visitor, a visitor in pink who came to grace my kitchen. Now I'm cutting my onions. Remember, all these ingredients are according to your taste or your need. If you want smaller onions, you go for it. You want smaller vegetables, you just go for it. Just do what you love, do what you like. And yeah, I'm getting my crayfish ready. And this abacha, you can make it without red oil, of course, and it comes in handy for those that are where they can't really get red oil. It can be a healthy option. Like, it's very nice. Just try it. You will agree with me that it's a very nice version of abacha. So here I have my ingredients. I have my abacha, I have my pepper, I have my crayfish, I have my green beans and my carrot, I have my salt, I have my stock cubes, and I have my onions. You can use any animal you want to use, but here I wasn't using it. And the reason for that is because at the time I was making this video, I was pregnant, and when I'm pregnant I'm not able to eat meat. I don't know, I just guess it's with the hormones. So yeah, after I've gotten all my ingredients ready, I heat up my oil and I put my onions. And after putting the onions, I start sauteing the onions, just giving it a very good stir to get those juices out. Remember, if the onions is too much for you, you can always adjust it to the quantity you want. So I've added my green beans. I like to add my green beans first because for me, I don't know, it takes time to cook. So I like to add it first. In whatever I'm cooking, if I'm using green beans, I like to add it first. so that it will cook well. And I add my carrot, of course, and I just mix everything together and saute it on a low heat. Lest I forget, please, when you're sauteing your vegetable, please do it on a low heat, and when you're done, bring it down from the fire. Here I'm adding my stock cubes, my crayfish, and my pepper, my Cameroon pepper, and my salt, and I just stir everything together. I add my abacha, and I give everything a very, 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 very good stir. Mix it from the top to the down, and from the down to the top, or from the bottom to the top, or whatever. I just give it a very, 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 very good mix, and I taste for salt, and I taste for other ingredients. This abacha is good, trust me. You can enjoy it anytime, any day, wherever, whether you have palm oil or not. It is very, very, very nice. And yeah, our abacha is ready. I served it to myself with a good cup of chilled soy milk. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay in God, and I leave you, like my daughter would say, bye.